Hey there, my natural hair queens and kings. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I will be reviewing another vegan hair line, which I have to say had me really shook because I didn't expect it to be so amazing. So I will be reviewing the Tropical Bliss hair line. I received about 5 products from their Rainforest collection, and I have to say I'm in love. All the products in this line are vegan. They're 100% natural products. They are made with certified organic ingredients and fair trade shea butter. There's no silicones, no parabens, no sulfates. You know, those are the most important things to me. It's just 100% natural. My hair is a complete disaster from the products that I used the week before. My hair is super dry and brittle and hard. Let's just say I was not looking forward to this wash day, but it had to happen. Now that my hair is wet, I'm going in with the Wild Berries Co-Wash from the Tropical Bliss line. This product smells amazing. It literally smells like berries. Like I threw all the berries in the blender and I just blended them together. And the feel of this product is amazing. It just is so soft and it has amazing slip. As you can see, your girl was a bit shook. Like, I could not believe the slip that this product had. I was actually able to detangle my hair in less than 5 minutes. Finger detangle my hair, which I don't know if I've ever been able to do, and my hair is just silky soft now. Oh, and I cannot forget the shedding. There was minimal shedding for both sides of my hair, and I was like, what? I wish that you all could feel and smell my hair because it smells and feels so great. Yes, this is all the shedding I got for both sides of my hair. Okay, so it's time to deep condition. I'm using their Marshmallow Melt Mask, which I have to say has a scent of bubblegum, which I'm not mad at all. This product also has amazing slip. It smells great and it leaves my hair feeling silky soft. To take this deep conditioner up a notch, I will be using their Watermelon Squeeze Oil to add a bit more shine to my hair. I'll be using my heat cap and I will keep this deep conditioner on for about 30 minutes and then I'll come back and show you my results. You can see this deep conditioner has all the waves out. I'm ready to go take a swim in my hair. I know, corny, but still, like, look at the waves. Alright, so let's get into styling. First, I will be using their Banana Leave-In Smoothie as my base styling product. Then I will be going in with their Pineapple Hair Milk to seal in the styling products. As you can see, I'm not really a fan of banana, but the product still has great slip and it adds shine to my hair. first I used their Wild Berries Co-Wash. It says that it has hydrating berry oil, vitamins to cleanse, detangle, and remove product buildup without stripping your hair of its natural oils, leaving it soft, light, super easy to comb and style with a scent of fresh plucked berries. This literally smells like I put strawberries, raspberries, blueberries in a blender and I blended it all together. It smells so good. My hair felt clean, and most importantly it felt soft. And when I say the slip was amazing, you know me, I'm lazy. I don't like to finger detangle because it's too much work. It takes too much time. But this allowed me to finger detangle one side of my hair in under 5 minutes. Let's pause for a moment of silence so that could actually set in. Yes, less than 5 minutes finger detangling. I love this product. Next, I use their Marshmallow Melt Mask, and y'all already know deep conditioners have a way to my heart. I believe in deep conditioning weekly, and this also has amazing slip. Even though my hair was detangled with using the co-wash, it still felt like if I used this separately to detangle and deep condition my hair, it would have just as good a slip, if not better than the co-wash. At first, when I first smelled it, I was like, oh, it says marshmallows. But my husband smelled it and he was like, it actually smells like bubble gum. And I have to agree, it does smell like bubble gum. This one says that you should leave it on your hair for 15 minutes, comb through, or for high intensity, add the oil, which I'm going to talk to you about next, and then leave it on for 30 minutes with heat. And it has key ingredients like coconut, jojoba, grapeseed oil, and it helps to restore elasticity, rebuild strength while repairing damage caused by environmental factors, heat stresses, and chemical color treatments. It leaves your hair super soft, and you could see when I did this part of the video that my hair, the waves on my hair was amazing because you could see just all those ingredients just working to deep condition my hair, and my hair just felt super soft, super shiny after I was done using this deep conditioner. And honestly, I have to say this is definitely climbing to the top of one of my favorite deep conditioners for this year. So we'll see at the end of the year if it's still one of my favorites when I do my end of year product favorites. But this is amazing and you should really try it. With the Marshmallow Melt Mask, what I did was I used their watermelon squeeze oil, and what I could say is this oil is super lightweight. Even though I don't personally like watermelon, don't come for me in the comments, this scent smells amazing and makes me feel like I could eat it. And this one says that it promotes healthy hair growth and is rich in omegas 3, 6, 9. You could use it as a hot oil treatment or with your deep conditioner, which I used it for. This smells amazing. I like that it's lightweight because my hair can't really take any heavy oils because it weighs it down. So this is definitely a good oil for anything deep conditioning, hot oil treatments, or even to separate my curls. I am very impatient and I actually separated my curls while I was to work because I just hate first day curls, so I didn't wait to use this, but I imagine that this would be amazing separating my curls as well. And then we have the banana leave-in smoothie. The consistency of this is really lightweight, and what I noticed immediately when I put this on was the shine that it gave my hair, and my hair just looked like silky, and it was super lightweight, which is good and bad for some people. I was a little nervous about it because usually lightweight products don't hold my curls at all, but as you can see, I did not have that problem. And even though I am not a fan of the scent of banana, it still has a good scent if you're into banana. Me personally, I just don't like the scent of banana, but I was happy that the product that goes with the banana smoothie, the pineapple hair milk, actually masked the scent of the banana, so I wasn't really worried about it. And this one is a little thicker than the banana smoothie. These two just together, the perfect combo, because this also added shine and it helped my curls to feel even softer. And I wish you guys could feel my hair. My hair feels super lightweight, it's bouncy and soft, and it just feels super healthy. Usually at the end of my review, I choose my favorite products, the ones that I think that you must have, but honestly this entire line was so good that I can't say that any particular one is top in the charts. I think you should just try them all because everything that you need in hair care products this had. It was able to detangle your hair. It smelled amazing. It was natural. It was lightweight. It was moisturizing. The products are just really good. So definitely give it a try and let me know what you think. Honestly, to wrap it up, my favorite was all of the products. The products were just amazing. But if you've tried these products before, be sure to let me know in the comments. Let me know what you thought about it, which ones you think may be your favorite. And if you have any questions, be sure to leave them below in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. And until next time, my natural hair queens and kings, remember, when you know better, you do better. Have a great day. Bye.